After going live on November 30, 2022, ChatGPT quickly became a tremendous success. In just 5 days, it attracted 1 million users, and the increase in traffic even caused the site to go down for 40 minutes. ChatGPT is like talking to a robot that can understand you. It's like having a body that can help you out with writing and answering questions. Personally, for the past few weeks, ChatGPT really helped me a lot, and I really became more productive. So now in this video, I'll show you a couple of prompts, couple of ways you can play with this AI. And by play, I mean you can simply learn a lot, can really help you a lot. And some of the questions you can ask ChatGPT that will really blow your mind, I hope. But I think it will, because it really impressed me a lot. So now let me show you the first one, which is when you can simply ask ChatGPT to explain a term. And you can also ask ChatGPT to explain it to you, like you were explaining to a 6-year-old child. So ChatGPT will explain to you like it will explain to a 6-year-old, which is amazing. As you can see here, the results, this is just mind-blowing, and it can really save you a lot of time, right? And also, if there's a sentence that you don't understand, you can also ask ChatGPT to explain to you. Now let's move to the next one, which is if you want, let's say there's a website, okay, or not, there's a YouTube video, okay, so you can also ask ChatGPT to summarize you a YouTube video. So when you go to that video that you like to have summary on, and then install this extension, Google extension transcript summary, and then all you have to do is to click on view AI summary, and then, so let me actually show you. It's super awesome. And here you have the video. This extension really copied the entire video, like the transcript, and then now you have the summary of that video, which is pretty cool, because there's videos that are an hour, and you can now watch the video, or like you can understand the video in only a couple of seconds. Another thing that is really helping me when I'm writing a text is when I want to see if there's any errors in my text, so I use ChatGPT. So you can simply copy the text, and you can write edit and improve the grammar in this text, and write along, just here copy and paste your text, and then just see what ChatGPT can do. You can also create a text, like copy a text from somewhere, and then you can ask ChatGPT to create a summary. And that's, let's say, for social media. You can say, summarize this for a tweet. Or you can also ask ChatGPT to summarize, to write a book summary. And that can really help you a lot. It can save you a lot of time.